Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select a line, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 42 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click in this point here and this point. Okay. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here, another arc here, and another arc here. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click in this point here and this point, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 50 millimeters. Okay. Now let's move this a little bit. No problem. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 40 millimeters. The radius here is 30.5 millimeters. And the radius here is 27 millimeters. Okay. We have this. Okay. And go to sketch dimension again. The distance between this point here and this point is 11 millimeters, and the distance between this point here and this point here is 12 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Okay, finish the sketch. Now go to create and select the top plane. Go to select line. You can hide the sketch one. Okay, select line, make a line here with 100 millimeters, and the line here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 50 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point, click in this point here and this point. Okay, go to modify, select fillet, make a fillet here with 30 millimeters of radius. Okay, finish the sketch. We have this. Okay, now go to create, select the right plane here. Let's hide the sketch 1 and sketch 2. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here, another arc here, and make another arc here. That's okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, make this constraint and make this constraint. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 100 millimeters, and the distance here is 42 millimeters. The radius here is 95 millimeters. The radius here is 35 millimeters, and the radius here is 30 millimeters of radius. Okay, now the distance between this point here and this point, or the midpoint, is 10 millimeters, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 19 millimeters. We have this. Okay, maybe it is not gonna make full constraint. Okay, let me try deleting this. Okay, finish the sketch. We have this line here. Show the other line. We have this. Now go to surface and select create and loft. Select click here, change selection, select this profile here, add selection set, select this profile here. We have this. Okay, now let's add rails. Click here, the guide type is rails here, and select this profile here. We'll have this. Okay, the tangent adds merge, operation new body, press OK. We have this. Now go to create and select thicken. Select this face here, the thickness here, the direction symmetric, and the thickness here is 1 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.